Construction is changing a lot because of new and amazing technologies. These technologies are so advanced that they're changing how we build things. We can now make really tall buildings that look like they can touch the sky, and we can create buildings that are good for the environment. Let's explore some of the best construction technologies. Number 1. Supersized Clamshell Box Culvert. Let's start our journey from Canada, where a large-scale system used for collecting and transporting stormwater and river water was installed. Generally, a box culvert is used for managing the flow of water in drainage systems or transportation projects. Big highways require big box culverts, and they're very useful in civil engineering constructions. Imagine installing 44 sections weighing over 5.82 million pounds combined in just 4 days. That's exactly what these local engineers did. The secret to this incredible achievement, however, lies in the simple assembly process. They were able to create a short-span bridge for motorists that use the highway and also for water conveyance. The final constructed section spans around 251 feet in length and stands at an impressive height of approximately 11.5 feet. But it's only one of 3 other sections. Number 2. Adjustable Height Paver Drain. According to the company's website, the Adjustable Height Paver Drain is a dual elevation PVC deck drain system used for the installation of paver decks. It accommodates both full thickness paver bricks and the popular thinner tile-shaped pavers. It's a practical solution for water drainage, which goes well with paving stands and tiles. This unique design features a top cap that can be lapped past the joints for rigidity, as well as a tray built into the base to set the pavers on. It's made of PVC and aluminum and can be installed on a concrete or sand base. There are different sizes you can choose from compact versions to 5-foot-long variants. Number 3. Xbloc. Xbloc is a robust breakwater, shoreline, and coastal protection system that provides protection against waves and currents. This has always been a matter of concern because 65% of cities with a population of more than 2.5 million people stand on the coasts of seas and oceans. Xbloc protects these cities against the strongest of waves, and since it entered the market 20 years ago, more than 500,000 units have been sold. The Xbloc is a type of block that really is good at staying strong when water pushes against it. It has a stability score of 16. It's also easy to pick up and put in place because it's tough. Since it's the same shape all around, the blocks fit together easily, which means you don't need as many rules to figure out how to arrange them compared to other blocks. These interlocking concrete armor units are randomly applied in breakwaters and shore protection projects. They interlock very efficiently, which guarantees high hydraulic stability. Number 4. BERA Alu Sub-Base Terrace System. In the Netherlands, they're looking to reduce dependence on steel and concrete because the production is harmful to the environment. So, one option to follow is BERA's Alu Sub-Base Terrace System. These pedestals are made from strong aluminum, which means they won't rot, bend, twist, or get damaged by the weather. They're part of a European terrace system that professionals can use to build really good decking and terraces. Besides, the system also helps save money because it needs fewer pedestals. Installing the aluminum system is quick and simple. It mostly doesn't need screws, and you can even use it to make steps and ramps. You can use this terrace system in gardens near swimming pools and on roofs. Making steps and ramps is much easier and faster now. This system gets rid of all the hard work people used to do in the past. Number 5. Striatus. Striatus is a curved bridge made using special printed concrete blocks that fit together like a puzzle. It's a unique bridge that's 16 meters long and 12 meters wide. It's special because it mixes old-fashioned building methods with new technology. The footbridge is the first of its kind, combining traditional techniques of master builders with advanced computational design and engineering and robot manufacturing. They named it Striatus because of the way it was built. Striatus demonstrates the infinite possibilities of 3D concrete printing. The concrete is layered in a way that makes the bridge strong, and it doesn't need extra support. Everything that makes up Striatus can be taken apart and reused. The blocks of concrete can be recycled without using too much energy or money. Recycling them is easy because there are no extra things like metal inside them, so they don't need to be separated before recycling. Number 6. Ecopan. Statistics show that a family of 4 living in a regular apartment uses about 211 gallons of wastewater every day. Apartments have systems for plumbing, sewage, and water treatment that connect to local city infrastructure. However, in rural areas, septic tanks help manage wastewater effectively. There are options designed for groups of up to 30 people. These models can be easily installed and can function in tough situations, like areas with soft ground. They're built using a strong plastic sheet that can be as thick as 0.7 inches. Number 7. Probrace. Making a concrete base involves making a solid ground using wooden frames. Usually sticks are put behind the frames or positioned at an angle to hold up the walls and keep them straight and even with each other. This can be a bit tricky. One day, an experienced builder named Aaron George, who was really good at making bases, realized that he could make the process easier. He wanted to find a faster and better way to set up these wooden frames so that they're perfectly straight and even. So he worked on creating something new called the Probrace. Probrace is a quick, clean, safe way of building concrete foundations. This Probrace system is much better. It makes the process of getting the frame straight and even 80% faster. Overall, it saves 50% of the time needed to set up the frames. It's also very accurate, even down to the millimeter. Breaking down the setup after using Probrace is 60 to 75% quicker, and there's much less waste. This means no more cutting up pieces of wood that you only use once. Number 8. Incon AI Technology. Technology company called Incon AI has made bricklaying easier and more creative using augmented reality. With this technology, bricks can be placed very accurately, allowing for the creation of unique buildings with special patterns and sound effects. Architects can use computer designs to make artistic structures, and the technology combines computer design with human skill. This means even unusual ideas can become real buildings. The person behind this technology is Timothy Sandy, who knows a lot about robots and works at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich. Here's how it works. Architects create a design on the computer and put it into the Incon AI software. When the bricklayers are working at the construction site, they use a simple smartphone with a camera. The software knows where the bricks should go based on the design, and it shows the builders where to put each brick on a screen. Number 9. DoKart Plus. DoKart Plus is a battery-powered lifting appliance specifically designed for the smooth lifting and movement of DoKatable systems. It allows DoKart table forms to be traveled by just one man. This tool helps workers move things that are quite heavy. DoKart is a semi-automatic system controlled by a transmitter that can be operated by operator. The tool is able to save up to 20 to 40% construction work time compared to using human labor in the process. DoKart Plus's innovative design perfectly suits it to the rough and tumble of everyday work on the site. It's safe, compact, and has the ability to move 90 degrees sideways. With its durable construction and user-friendly features, the DoKart Plus is ideal for use in challenging construction site conditions. Number 10. Rainy. Rainy is a patented rainwater harvesting filter with dual intensity, offering a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution. Rainy filters are made with highly durable food-grade material and have self-cleaning capabilities to auto-flush out debris. The filter operates on gravitational and centrifugal forces, automatically flushing out dirt and debris for efficient water filtration. The Rainy has a compact size, a self-cleaning mechanism, and flexibility in pipe connections. Its harvesting filters are very important to making the water usable in any rainwater harvesting system and are used to filter debris from the rainwater as it flows from the collection roof before it enters the storage tank. That's all from us today. Drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Have a wonderful day, enjoy yourselves, and goodbye.